Hello guys, let's don't lose our time and let's training. So today I want explain you technique exercise for I want to explain you technique of exercise which you help sit split, and actually today we'll right split. And so let's go to this position, yes, and up right leg. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So open your chest and fix this position. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So cool. Let's change our position for the next exercise. And right now will be twist. What we do, so we breathe in, we turn, yes, and breathe out, go to the starting position. So let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and also 8. Fixes this position and wait, and also feel your flexibility on this part. Go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, cool. So right now change position, and right now will be position of window. So we breathe in straight our leg and breathe out, go to the right side, yes, right window. So let's go straight back, not this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 I'm so sorry, 8, and fixes this position and wait. If this position very easy for you, also you can go to your elbow. So go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Super. So right now straight your leg and pay attention, because we will work with our feet. It's also very important. Go to your heel, you can see, and go 1 2 3 5 6 7 and 8, and circle 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and also another side. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and also 8. Super. So right now we will go to the half of our splits. Also be careful, your two bones of your pelvic need to see only mat. Now go to the side. Yes, this wrong position. This correct. So our hands, breathe in and breathe out. Let's go 1 2 3 4 5 6 so the next exercise will be this. Try to up your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Try to press so and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. So also breathe in and breathe out. And right now let's try to sit to the split. So I think it's a very good idea. I hope you agree with me. And okay, so I don't like this view. I will change my position. And so this, okay, I think it's better. And count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Also, you can try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so also breathe in and breathe out. So guys, this training will be helpful for you if you want to sit to the right split. Also, you can do this exercise for the another leg because it's the same. And so, thank you so much for your attention. I'm very happy that you choose spend time with me. Yes. And so, if you have some questions about technique, please write, and I will solve this problem because it's not problem. And what? I wish a lot of happier and health, a lot of splits to this good holiday. Yes. And so see you soon, guys.